Do you want to know what cures cough and cold in children? It's not the antibiotics you're giving, neither is it the cough syrups. Now, I want you to know that most of the causes of common cold in children are viruses. Viruses don't care about your antibiotics, they must run their course. Whether you give antibiotics, whether you give cough syrups, whether you give whatever you give, you're just wasting your time because if it takes the virus 14 days to run its course, no matter what you give, it will still take 14 days to run its course. So all you have to do is just to make a child comfortable, give warm fluid, ensure that the child is eating properly, drinking enough water. That is all. Once the body runs its course, the body recovers from it and then you're good to go. So stop wasting your money on cough syrup, especially cough syrup. Stop wasting your money on cough syrups.